Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with Alex. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of words with the word of the day, artificial. Artificial is a B2 level adjective that means not natural. It refers to things that are made by humans rather than occurring naturally. This word can be used in a variety of contexts, and we'll explore how to use it effectively in your daily life. Let's start with a clear definition of artificial. Something artificial is created by people, often as a substitute for something natural. For example, an artificial flower looks like a real flower, but is made of fabric or plastic. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like synthetic, man-made, and fabricated carry similar meanings. For instance, you might say, the bag is made of synthetic leather, or this is a man-made lake created for recreational purposes. Each of these words emphasizes that the item isn't natural, but was produced intentionally. On the flip side, antonyms for artificial include natural, genuine, and authentic. For example, you might contrast a real gem by saying, this stone is natural, not an artificial one, or describe a homemade dish by saying, this recipe uses authentic ingredients. In everyday life, you might encounter the word artificial in discussions about food, technology, or even behavior. Imagine you're talking about sweeteners. You might say, I prefer sugar over artificial sweeteners. Or, in a conversation about technology, you could comment, artificial intelligence is changing how we work and live. The word can even describe actions like a forced smile. Her smile felt a bit artificial, as though she wasn't really happy. Here are a few more examples to help you use artificial in sentences. The garden is decorated with artificial grass to keep maintenance simple. These diamonds are artificial, but they look incredibly real. The robot spoke in an artificial voice, which sounded robotic but clear. To wrap up, we've learned that artificial means not natural and can describe anything from objects and substances to behaviors and systems. We've explored synonyms like synthetic and man-made, as well as antonyms like natural and authentic. I hope you feel more confident using this word in your conversations. Before we go, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using artificial and share it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word, and I'll see you next time.